The Los Angeles Lakers surprising the basketball world with a big win against the San Antonio Spurs. And yes, Kawhi Leonard did play in this game. Yes, LaMarcus Aldridge did play. They each played about 15 minutes or so, but this win is legit. Spurs turning the ball over. Lakers taking advantage. They're not going to make the playoffs, but still, they can get some highlights on the road. Luke Walton, all smiles. He's loving this. Aldridge. See, he's playing. Patty Mills. See, look, Kawhi's playing. He's in the corner. Splash. But the Spurs were down big here in the first half. Simmons pops it, misses. Aldridge rebound, puts it up and in. In the third quarter, Tony Parker gets the steal. Man, Tony Parker's getting old now, but he still got game. Transition basketball, Parker. He thought about the three, kicks it to the corner, splash. Spurs are coming back. And in the last so many years, I've seen the Spurs come back from so many deficits where a team like the Lakers will make so many mistakes late in the fourth quarter and lose the game, and that's what's happening here. The Lakers, they definitely are making some bad decisions, but Ennis dropped a career-high 19 points. A quick three with the shot clock winding down. The Lakers going on a run here. Maintaining. What a slam. The Lakers haven't been on my radar here on YouTube in a while, but this game, they deserve it. The 3 over Meta World Peace. Still time in this game. 5 points. Simmons kicks it, dishes it. It's stolen. And look at the hustle. Look at the speed. He's going to go all the way. Miss, but it's tipped up and in. And the Lakers defeat the Spurs on the road with 13 wins in a row. And they have now clinched home court advantage throughout the entire playoff run. Curry almost turns it over, but he's diving on the floor. He's still there. He's avoiding everybody. They throw the lob and it goes in. That was Sean Livingston. Talk about shot